Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top five carry items. Number 2. Number dos on my list, pen. I can see the sign. It's flopping, about to fall. It's gonna fall, y'all. Pen, paper, write it down. You might need something to write down your coordinates, your thoughts, numbers, names, addresses, whatever you need your pen for. But don't leave home without one. It's on my top 5. Is it on yours? This is just a graphic, thin line, water and fade proof pen. Point 5. Did it show up? Yeah, there you go. 0.5. So real thin. Okay. But yeah. See if I can find a piece of paper real quick. There's a receipt. See how thin. Okay, real thin on the writing, but pen, number 2, where would it rank on your list? Would it make your top 5? We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over and out.